What's up, guys? Nathan here from Worship Calling in the Worship Journal Guitars Edition. We got another Tone Master Tuesday, and this time what I'm looking at is the updated Acoustic Gold. It's actually version 1.3 of my preset for my acoustic guitar. So let's jump out of Pro Control. This is it. I think it sounds really good. So, what all did I do? I did a lot of stuff. I don't know. I did not keep track of everything I did. Obviously, I'm still using that tube preamp. I love that tube preamp just right out of the gate. That's what's picking up my guitar. I replaced all the EQs with the new parametric EQ. I like where I've got this dialed in right now. And then I added a couple notch filters to get rid of some treble frequencies that I'm getting off of my guitar. So those you may bypass or adjust depending on how your guitar reacts. That's just with this Taylor Gold label. I had to notch a few out just to kind of pull them out, right? I don't think I made any changes to, I didn't change the impulse response. I don't think I made any changes to the lower high cut filter on that. Did a little bit of adjusting on the Acoustasonic amp. If you did not watch my video on using the RTA app to kind of see all your frequencies, check that video out. That is a critical tool I use in building these presets to kind of get an even EQ going into my amp so that I can use the amp to adjust the EQ from that point forward. Obviously, I ended up changing out the delay to the new stereo digital delay. I'm really liking the stereo digital delay. And then obviously this new ethereal convolution hall. I love it, as you've probably seen in some of the other videos. And that's pretty much all I did, was really did the massive update to the EQ using those new EQs from the latest firmware. And yeah, I love what I'm getting with this preset. I think it sounds good, and I'm liking it. So hopefully you could use that as a baseline for your acoustic tone. Tweak, adjust, remove, delete, add, whatever you want to. But if you want a baseline level, check it out. It'll be in the cloud. Acoustic Gold version 1.3. Yeah, give it a shot. As I've said before, I feel like the most critical thing in acoustic tone through any modeler is using a quality acoustic IR. And I've said it before, Worship Tutorials has the best acoustic pack, acoustic IR pack. Again, I don't know how they give this thing away for free. So get it while you can for free before they change their mind. I don't know why they haven't and started charging for it. It's a great pack. Go through, see which acoustic IR works best with your guitar. Use it. It will make a world of difference in your acoustic tone. It doesn't sound like a mic'd up acoustic. It sounds, or not a mic'd up acoustic. It sounds like a mic'd up acoustic. It doesn't sound like an acoustic plugged into some PA or preamp. It sounds like an acoustic setting in the room with a mic on it. And it's crazy. It's a crazy pack for free. I don't know how they give it away for free. So get your hands on it while you can. An Acoustic IR makes all the difference in the world. As always, if you find any benefit in these videos, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, make every strum count, and I'll see you guys next time.